everybody, greetings from Patong Beach in Phuket, Thailand. We're actually on our way out of the city, headed to Koh Yao Yai, which is an island just off the east coast of Phuket. So we're in a taxi now. What I'll do is actually, I wanted to show you the room that we were staying at, so I'll flash back now just to maybe 20 minutes ago, give you a little room tour, show you where we were staying here. And if you want more about what we've been doing, check out other last couple of videos on Patong Beach. But here's the room tour. So just wanted to give you a little quick tour of the room we're staying at in Patong Beach. So this is coming in, got a little kitchen to the right, refrigerator to the left, basic bathroom, pretty nice. But one of the interesting features though is this there's like a window that opens that goes out into the bedroom, which is pretty interesting. So I'll take you back out. So bedroom's got a little table, got a little sofa thing. We got our stuff on it. We're kind of getting packed up to go. Bed, pretty basic, not bad. But what really makes this place awesome is the views. So you've seen the rooftop pool, but the patio is really nice as well. Got some little chairs you can sit on. And then kind of got a nice view of the city. So that is Suite 304 of the Bliss condominiums in Patong Beach. All right, so that's where we were staying. So like I said, we're in the taxi going to Bang Rong Pier, which is the how you take the ferry or a speedboat to Koh Yao Yai Island. And Koh Yao Yai, we don't know which one it is, so if you know, tell us in the comments down below. Tell us how bad our pronunciation is. Probably pretty bad. But yeah, we will show you the boat ride and all that kind of good stuff. Enjoy. Alright, so we made it to the Bang Rong Pier, and we got really lucky. Speedboat to Koh Yao Yai leaves in 10 minutes. We got here, and there was a speedboat ready and waiting for us.
Perfect timing.
Yeah, perfect timing. Most people got really well. So we are on our way to Koh Yao Yai. And we made it, Koh Yao Yai. The boat was really good, pretty short, 30 minutes via speedboat. Only costs 300 baht per person. Alright, so made it to Koh Yao Yai Village. Here's the reception lobby. Oh yeah. Oh, perfect. Thank you. Alright, so we made it to Koh Yao Yai Village. Our room is just got cleaned and is ready to go, so we're gonna take a walk around, see the pools and see the beach, and check this place out. It's pretty nice. They have great service so far. greeted us with cold drinks and cold towels, and already very relaxing. So we're looking forward to having a relaxy day. We'll give you a quick room tour. So coming in the door,
This place was kicked out.
it looks pretty awesome. Got the bed right there. Got a view out here.
Some pineapple.
Nice jungle view.
It's our patio.
And then they, they leave us also the stuff, like leave us pineapple. Let's check out the bathrooms and stuff. Oh yeah, this is neat. Cool looking sinks. Yeah, that's awesome.
This is where the toilet is. Just a regular toilet.
Yep.
But we get robes.
But there's a skylight. Oh yeah.
Really nice towels. Really cute armoire. Oh, this is where the fridge is. And check out this huge shower.
Oh yeah. Wow.
It's huge.
It's pretty massive. It's got a skylight, which is pretty neat. That's gonna be fun.
This is a huge place. Super cute.
Excellent, thank you. So far, Koh Yao Yai Village, super relaxing. We've been hanging out at the pool, having some drinks. It's sort of our first half day here. Most of it was a travel day. But tomorrow, or maybe the next day, we're gonna go explore the island, grab some motor scooters, see what we can find. But one of these days, yeah, we're gonna just do a chill beach day, see the beach, hang out at the pool, have some more drinks maybe. But I don't know. Yeah, we're just gonna take it easy. We've been pretty busy with Bangkok. I mean, it was awesome, but definitely, a lot of walking, and we were tired. So it's gonna be nice to relax a little bit here. Kick it down a notch at the end of our vacation. This is a cocktail made of Chalong Bay rum, which is a local Thailand, specifically from Phuket rum, made sustainably out of 100% Thai sugarcane. Yummy. Mmm, good.
Are you recording me?
Yeah. Yeah, so the sun is looking like it's just about to set on Koh Yao Yai. Walked out into the ocean. We're probably like, I'm probably like maybe, I don't know, 100 yards out, and it's still like barely waist deep. This place is pretty awesome. The ocean is warm. Looking forward to a full beach day tomorrow. It's gonna be really good. Hope there's some way to get out to that island behind me. That would be awesome. But I don't know. I mean, there may be a kayak. Who knows? We'll see. But yeah, this is going to be a really nice way to end off our Thailand adventure. We've had, like I said, really busy time in Bangkok, and even Patong Beach was pretty busy, pretty hectic. But in a good way. Not trying to say bad things about it, but this is going to be a really relaxing end to our vacation.
It like comes out. That's fun. That is hilarious. Oh! Now it goes back.
Alright, so that is Koh Yao Yai day 1. Stick around, we got a couple more days of Koh Yao Yai. Should be pretty good. So if you liked the video, give us a thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing. We got a lot of other good travel information, a lot of other good content. So yeah, we will see you again in the next video.